For the novice numismatic collector, banknote collecting remains affordable, and the large number of printed documents makes them attractive collectibles. Collecting banknotes is a great way to learn about the economic and political systems of countries throughout time, as well as geography, history, and the arts. They are also wonderful miniature works of art whose subjects teach us about the different cultures and civilizations they represent. This video presents a method for storing banknotes in plastic sleeves. References are given in the video description below. With several compartments to display double-sided bills and the possible use of black paper to separate two bills in the same compartment within a sleeve. Welcome to History Channel 26, HC26. A new channel dedicated to historical objects to collect and study. Medieval seals, heraldry, numismatic, stamp collecting, calligraphy. For beginner collectors. More information in the description below the video. Collecting banknotes, like collecting postage stamps, is an interesting way to learn in a pleasant setting, and accessible to all. Please feel free to leave a comment below the video if you're interested in any particular information about the materials used or the collection in general. Part 1. Storage materials. To store and organize our banknotes, we prefer to use a document holder rather than a binder, which makes it easier to handle the sleeved banknotes. We use plastic sleeves to display the banknotes, with two compartments. One that holds a double-sided banknote and a second that contains a sheet of black paper to display two different banknotes in the same sleeve. Another sleeve offers the option of displaying three double-sided banknotes. The two compartment sleeves can open at the top to separate the compartments in two, or at the side with removable black paper. A large sleeve for a large document opens at the top. An economical transparent sleeve can also be used with a transparent plastic sheet prepared with translucent photo corners to hold the banknotes in place. This way, the banknotes are positioned exactly where you want them in the sleeve. All you have to do is find banknotes to fill your pockets and start collecting. Part 2. Where to find banknotes to start collecting banknotes? The first thing to do is look around your home to see what you can find. In a drawer, the box containing your grandfather's papers, the bookmark from an old dictionary. The second step is to ask your friends and family if they have any banknotes from a trip abroad, or if any of them live abroad, or even if any of them collect banknotes themselves. This will give you the chance to start your collection with a few banknotes. It is also possible to purchase old or recent banknotes from certain merchants for a small amount. A trip or stay abroad also allows you to find new documents in mint condition if you visit a bank during your stay. This way, you can start by purchasing small denomination banknotes, as they exist in all countries, without breaking the bank. Mint banknotes are preferable. Part 3. Which banknotes should you keep? Starting a banknote collection means that the number of documents will be smaller than if it were a postage stamp collection. Therefore, the banknotes you find first may be identical batches or in different states of preservation. At first, it's important to keep all the banknotes that come your way. As time goes on, you'll keep the most beautiful banknotes among those you have in duplicate, so you can exchange them later if you meet another collector. You'll also keep the banknotes in poor condition but in a single copy, or very old, for which it will be difficult to find a better quality replacement. Whenever it's possible to replace a copy with another of better quality, this will help improve your collection over time. The best quality for a banknote is to be new, without stains, creases, or pinholes. For old banknotes, this isn't always possible. A catalog of world banknotes will help you classify and study all the banknotes you find, or almost all of them, in addition to an encyclopedia. There you go. All that's left is for you to embark on this exciting quest for numismatic collecting. Part 4. An attempt to grading paper money. Poor. PR. Severe damage because of wear, staining, pieces missing, larger holes. No interest or as a filler or rare issue. Good fare. G. Heavily used note, multiple folds, pinholes, dirt, discoloration. Some graffiti. Very good. VG. Well-used banknote, tears, slight discoloration, small holes from foldings but no pieces missing. Fine. FF. Many folds due to circulation, not dirty, minor tears in the border but out of the design, clear colors, staple hole seen. Very fine. VF. Nice banknote, folding, handling and wearing seen, no tears and no real round corners. Extremely fine. EF. Very good banknote with light mark of handling, few light folds, clean without decoloration. Uncirculated. UNC. Almost new banknote with little handling, clean and bright, the paper has no sign of folding. It may be added that for some precise words we may add minus or plus, for example EF plus, or UNC minus. In some European countries the uncirculated notes have 2 pinholes when going out of the bank.